Money is not just a piece of paper. It is a highly calculated game of energy, human psychology, and deeply hidden invisible rules that modern schools will never teach you. 99% of ordinary people work incredibly hard for money their entire lives, but they ultimately die broke, simply because they do not understand how wealth actually flows. If you are truly ready to escape the dangerous trap of modern poverty and master your true financial destiny, you must wake up right now and memorize the 3 invisible rules of wealth immediately. Welcome back to Drive to Success, your ultimate guide to personal growth, deep discipline, and total financial freedom. Rule number 1. Money respects absolute privacy. The exact moment you start making extra income or building a new source of wealth, keep your mouth shut completely. Small minds love to show off their temporary riches, to buy fake validation from people they don't even like. The truly wealthy, however, build their multi-million-dollar empires in absolute silence. They understand that quiet power is far more dangerous and effective than loud poverty. Never reveal your next big move until it is fully executed. Rule number 2. The law of financial velocity. Money is exactly like water. If it stays completely still in a traditional savings bank account, it slowly rots and dies due to the silent killer called inflation. Poor-minded individuals save every single penny out of deep fear and comfort, while the self-made rich constantly keep their cash moving. They aggressively invest their capital into cash-flowing assets, high-performing stocks, and scalable business systems that multiply overnight. Velocity creates real freedom. Rule number 3. Pay your future self first. Before you pay your monthly rent, your utility bills, or buy luxury clothes to impress others, invest a minimum of 20% of your hard-earned income into your own financial education. Upgrade your greatest money-making asset, which is your own mind. You must identify your absolute financial weakness, face the harsh reality, and kill your bad habits immediately through strict daily discipline. Which of these powerful, invisible money rules are you ready to adopt in your life today? Identify your trap and break it now. Let me know your honest thoughts in the comments section below. If you are genuinely ready to shatter the matrix of modern laziness and reclaim your ultimate freedom, smash that subscribe button right now. See you in the next breakdown.